Hello students, today we will solve question number 1 of exercise 3.4 which is given in page number 56. And question is solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method. You have to simplify this equation and find the value of x and y using elimination method. First you have to recall what is elimination method. Elimination, it means to eliminate. As you can see in both the equation, there are two variables x and y. From these equations, you have to eliminate x or y. You can eliminate x or y. For that, first we will equal the coefficient of x if you want to eliminate the x, and if you want to eliminate y, we will equal the coefficient of y. In this question, we will equal the coefficient of x for eliminating x. So, this one is your equation number 1 and this one is your equation number 2. For equaling the coefficient of x, you can see here in first equation the coefficient of x is 1 and in second equation the coefficient of x is 2. So we will multiply in first equation by 2 and in second equation coefficient is your 1. So we will multiply first equation by 2 and second equation by 1. Then we will get 2x plus 2y, 5 2s are 10, and when you multiply this second equation by 1, we will get the same equation 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Now the coefficient of x in both the equation are equal. Now we have to eliminate this x. So for that we will check the sign of this x term. In first equation this first term is positive and in second equation this x term is also positive. So we will subtract both the equation. When you will subtract, sign will be changed. This plus sign will convert into minus sign will convert into plus, and this plus sign will convert into minus. So this plus 2x cancel with this minus 2x, plus we will get 2y plus 3y as 5y, and 10 minus 4 we will get 6. So the value of y will be 6 upon 5. Now we have to find the value of x with the help of this value of y. So you can substitute the value of y in any equation. You can substitute the value of y in first equation, or you can substitute the value of y in second equation. Since we can easily see here, student, this first equation is very simple. So we will substitute the value of y in equation from equation 1. X plus y equal 5. X plus, if we substitute the value of y, 6 upon 5 equal 5. Now we will shift this plus 6 upon 5 into right hand side. We will get minus 6 upon 5. Now we will simplify this and we will take the LCM. 5 5s are 25 minus 6, and we will get 19 upon 5. So for this equation the value of x is 19 upon 5 and the value of y is 6 upon 5. How you can check your answer is correct or not? Yes, you can substitute the value of x and y is any of the equation and check your answer is correct or not. Second part is 3x plus 4y equal 10, 2x minus 2y equal 2. Again you have to think which variable you have to eliminate, x or y. In this question I am eliminating y variable. Here you can see here the coefficient y term is positive in first equation, and in second equation y term is negative. So which number you will multiply? Obviously in first equation we will multiply by 2, interchanging the coefficient of, and in second equation we will multiply by 4. What you will get? If you multiply first equation by 2, you will get 6x plus 4 2s are 8y equal 10 2s are 20. And when you multiply this equation by 4, you will get 4 2s are 8x minus again 4 2s are 8y equals to 4 2s are 8. Now you have to think these two equation we will add or subtract, since both the terms are with opposite sign, so we will add this equation. And when you will add, this plus 8y cancel with this minus 8y, and you will get 14x equal 28. X equal 28 upon 14 2s are 14 2s are 28. So the value of x is here 2. Now you have to find the value of y. So you can substitute the value of x in any of the equation. Since here second equation is your simple, so from equation 2, 2x minus 2y equal to, if you substitute the value of x, other terms as it is, 2 2s are 4 minus 2y equal to minus 2y. Now we will shift this 4 into right hand side. We will get 2 minus 4 minus 2y equal minus 2, y equal minus 2 upon minus 2, which is equal to 1. So for this equation the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. How you can check your answer is correct or not? Again you can substitute these values in any of the equation, and you will get the right hand side value same. It means your answer is correct, otherwise your answer is wrong. Third question is 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals 0, 9x equal to y plus 7. As you can see here, student, in second equation y term is in right hand side. First we will convert this into left hand side, and in first equation constant term is in left hand side, so we will shift this into right hand side. The first equation will convert into 3x minus 5y equals to 4. Minus 4 will convert into plus 4. 9x minus 2y equal 7. Now you have to think from which number you will multiply. As you can see here, student, in first equation the coefficient of x is 3, and in second equation the coefficient of x is 9. So if we multiply this first equation by 3, then this 3 will convert, 3 3s are into 9. No need to multiply the cross coefficient. First equation by 9, second equation by 3. You can multiply the 3 also, and no need to change second equation. So we will multiply this equation by 1, and we will get 3 3s are 9x minus 15y equal 12. You are multiplying here by 1, so equation will not change. As you can see, we will get the same coefficient with same sign. Same sign means we will subtract this equation. This 9x cancel with this minus 9x, and we will get minus 15y plus 2y. It means minus 13y equals to 12 minus 7 equal 5. So value of y will be 5 upon minus 13. In standard form its value will be minus 5 upon 13. Now we will substitute this value of y in any of the equation. Second equation, from equation second. 9x equal 2y plus 7. 9x equal 2. The value of y is here minus 5 by 13 plus 7. 9x equal 5 to the 10 upon 13 plus 7. Now we will take LCM. LCM will be 13 minus 10 plus 13 sevens are. Yes, student, 13 sevens are 91. 9x equal plus minus minus. What we will get? 81 upon 13. The value of x will be 81 upon 13 into 1 upon 9, and we will get the value of x 9 by 13. So the value of y is 5 minus 5 by 13 and the value of x is here 9 by 13. Fourth question is x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equal minus 1, x minus y by 3 equal 3. Little bit difficult question, student, because here the coefficient of x is 1 upon 2 and here the coefficient of x is 1. And the coefficient of y is 2 upon 3 and the coefficient of y is here 1 upon 3. Now you have to think which number will multiply in equation number 1 and which number will multiply into equation number 2. So student, if you see here, in both the equation, in denominator of y is 3 and in numerator in first equation with y is 2 and here with y is 1. So if we multiply this second equation by 2, we will get the same coefficient. So we are multiplying here the first equation by 1 because we want the same equation as it is, and second equation by 2. So we will get as it is x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equal minus 1, and 2x minus 2y upon 3, 3 2s are 6. Both the sign with different, both the terms with different signs. So this we will add this two equations and this 2y by 3 cancel with this minus 2y by 3 and we will get, since we are adding here x upon 2 plus 2x equal to minus 1 plus 6, we will get plus 5. LCM 2 x plus 2 2s are 4x equal 5. 5x upon 2 equal 5. X equal 5 into 2 upon 5. This 5 cancel with this 5 and we will get x equal 2. Now we have to find the value of y. So we will substitute the value of x in any of the equation. We are substituting here in equation number 2. X minus y by 3 equal 3. Substitute value x equal 2, y by 3 equal 3 minus y by 3 as it is. This plus 2 will shift into right hand side. We will get minus 2 minus y by 3 which is equal to 1, and the value of y is here minus 3. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is minus 3.